kung may nang bubuli, unang-una kailangan may magsumbong. But more than that, people need to step in. People need to step in, di ba? Hindi pwedeng payagan lang. Okay. Pangatlo, yung deterrence of having CCTV, the seminars, malaking bagay yan, no? And fourth is really yung action ng school. Kung within 24 to 48 hours, natawag na yung magulang, may action talaga nangyayari, alam ng mga bata na hindi to acceptable dito. May penalties yan. And that's what I kept on telling DepEd, the director from DepEd. Students and parents need to know na merong penalty kung mangyari ito.
Exactly.
Kasi, yes, I agree, even the bully needs to have mental health support. Tama naman yan. A lot of the bullies, yan na nakikita nila sa bahay, kaya yan na nangyayari. But there needs to be some kind of penalty na swift and just. Diba? Kung makita ng mga bata na may ganyang klaseng action, mas magiging deterrent yan. And, I was challenging DepEd. Sabi ko, tinatawag tayong bullying capital of the world.
Yes.
Kailangan natin ng zero bullying policy dito. Na hindi ito acceptable sa mga eskwelahan natin. Because our schools, kailangan lugar yan kung saan ka pwedeng matuto, saan ka pwedeng lumaki, mag-grow as a person. Kung takot kang pumasok, kasi kinakabahan ka, mabubugbog ka, mamumura ka,
domino effect na siya eh.
Yung batang yan, yung mental torture sa kabataang yan, ang laking bagay niyan sa kanyang kinabukasan. So we need to create that safe space and we need to show that we're tough. We just, just meaning wala kang kinikilingan, but we need to show that we're tough and we're just pagdating dito.